In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Truecaller app. So if you're having problems with your Truecaller app, maybe it keeps on stopping or it suddenly stops displaying the names of the callers, then you need to go ahead and fix the errors associated with this Truecaller app. Now, there are various steps you can take to fix this, and if you'll find any of them helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing we need to do is to access the Truecaller information page. To do this, there are two ways. First, go to settings. And from settings, look for the option called apps. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on your Android smartphone. So under apps, go ahead and look for the option called all apps or manage apps, and then tap on it to display all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Once all your apps are open, go ahead and look for your Truecaller app through the list here. Alternatively, if the list is too long, you can as well just go ahead and search for your app here. And I'll just search the Truecaller app, and here it is. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And here now you can see I'm on the info page, and this is where we can begin our troubleshooting from. Alternatively, if this process was too long to get this page, then let me show you a shortcut method. Now, the easiest way to get to that page, you can as well just go to your app here and then long press on it, and then look for this option called app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will still take you to the same page, app info page here. Now from here, we want to go ahead and clear the data for this app, and you can see we can clear it from here. So if I go to storage, you can see this app contains quite a number of user data and cache. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and clear cache. Now, when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that are normally stored on your app when you use it, and these files are normally stored so as to enhance the user experience. However, the accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So what we need to do is to go ahead and clear this cache data, and you can simply clear the data from here. So go ahead and tap on clear data, and then you see we have two options here: to clear all data and to clear cache. Go ahead and tap on clear cache, then tap on OK, and this will go ahead and wipe all the cache that was on our app. Now at this point, now go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening it. Now this method will fix most of your problems that you are encountering with your Truecaller app, and at this point now the app should be working fine. However, if this method didn't fix your problem, then proceed to the second method, and that is clearing all the data. So if you go ahead and tap on clear all data and tap on OK, at this point now everything should be okay and your app should be running smoothly. However, if that didn't solve your problem, then you might need to go and access your app from your Google Play Store. So if you go to Play Store here and then search for Truecaller, tap on your app and open it. Look for any option called update here. If you have an update option, it means you have been using an outdated app, and therefore to fix all the bugs or all the challenges you have been experiencing, you might need to go ahead and update your app to the latest version. Your app will be able to run as usual and also with the latest features. For my case, I cannot update it because I already have an up-to-date app. So go ahead and try these three methods, and then you should be able to fix the problems associated with your Truecaller app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.